Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use SpaceX. In this video, we are going to learn how to receive Bitcoin in your Green Bitcoin wallet. First, launch the Bitcoin wallet application on your device and unlock your wallet using PIN or biometrics. On the home screen, tap on the Receive button, which is usually represented by the arrow at the bottom of your screen. The app will generate a unique Bitcoin address for receiving funds. This address can be displayed as a QR code for easy scanning, and a string of letters and numbers that can be copied. You can share your Bitcoin address by showing the QR code to the sender to scan, or copying the address and sending it via text, email, or any other communication method. Once the sender sends Bitcoin to your address, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. The incoming Bitcoin will appear in a transaction history as unconfirmed until it gets confirmed on the blockchain. Typically, it takes 6 confirmations for the Bitcoin to be fully confirmed and spendable. After confirmation, the Bitcoin will be added to your wallet balance, and you can use it for further transactions. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.